That's how you did it.
Ginaya na lang daw, may nagganon. Okay, okay. What do you think this means? Eme lang, charot. What do you think that means?
Charot. 됐어.
Never mind.
됐어.
Tama, tama. Okay, so these two expressions are actually very similar. They're both the same way of saying, it's a joke. Parang just kidding. Pero price pa rin pala.